Pero paano po kung good faith defense ba yun? Pwede pa yung maging defense, Kuya Mark?
Good faith is a defense. I would say good faith, for example, may nahuli, police, nahuli ang drugs, nahuli. Tapos nandun ka. Tapos pinagsasabi mo pa, ano pinagsasabi mo? Hindi pala, akala mo lang na siya yun, pero kamukha lang pala niya. Example, kamukha ni Juan de la Cruz. Pero si Pedro pala yun, kasi kambal niya. Pero sinasabi na siya, dami na sinasabi niya doon sa investigation sa police, good faith is a defense. Ibig sabihin, kasi natakot lang siya kasi nandun siya sa eksena, sa paghuli, nag-testify siya, good faith is a defense. Kasi akala niya, si Juan yun, si Pedro pala yun. Yun ang tinatawag na good faith is a defense. Pero, for example, nangyari ang krimen, August 1. Tapos, gumagawa ka ng statement, August 5. Gumagawa ng statement, 5 days after the commission of the crime. After the alleged commission of the crime. Drugs. August 1. Tapos, gumagawa ka ng statement, August 5. Was there good faith? No. Tawag yung statement mo, kasinungalingan? Was there good faith? No. It was intentional. It was premeditated. Bakit premeditated? 5 araw na eh. 5 days, inisipan mo, ang alleged commission of the crime, gumagawa ka ng statement 5 days after the commission of the crime, ibig sabihin, pinag-isipan mo yan. Premeditated. So therefore, there was no good faith. It was intentional and deliberate. Giving false statement, misleading statements, and that is obstruction of justice. And good faith, in that case, is not anymore available. Kasi when we say good faith, hindi mo intentional, hindi mo sinadya. Akala mo, yun yan. Then dahil sa sinasabi mo, na-disturbo mo ang investigasyon ng alleged crime, na-disturbo mo ang investigasyon of the alleged crime, yan. Pwede yan na matatawag na good faith. Kasi natakot ka lang, na-pressure ka lang, akala mo si Pedro yung nakita mo, si Juan pala, kamukha lang pala niya. Yan, good faith is a defense. Pero after mga 5 days, 7 days, 10 days, gumagawa ka ng statement after the alleged commission of the crime, was there good faith? No. Kasi at that time, there was already premeditated act. Pinag-isipan mo na mga aksyon. So, pag pinag-isipan mo yung mga aksyon na yan, posible matamaan ka talaga ng kaso na obstruction of justice and good faith is not anymore available on your side.